Want to learn more about the 21-day smoothie diet challenge? Drinking smoothies is an example of a dietary practice that you may be interested in. These drinks can be prepared from healthy ingredients, making them a fantastic healthy drink option. There are numerous smoothie diet plans out there, but the 21-day smoothie diet plan has had the most success. This diet plan is definitely worthy of consideration for weight loss and health benefits. I will try to explain to you why numerous people have been following the 21-day smoothie diet plan. The 21-day smoothie diet plan is perfect if you are planning to lose weight. It is also perfect if you are trying to make healthy dietary changes. With that said, do you know of its risks? Do you know how long you are supposed to follow this diet plan? If not, then this video is for you. When it comes to the smoothie diet, most people tend to confuse it with the liquid diet. These are actually two different concepts. To begin with, the smoothie diet contains smoothies that are prepared using healthy ingredients like veggies and fruits. With the 21-day smoothie diet plan, you do not stop eating your meals. Instead, you only replace 1 or 2 meals a day with these delicious smoothies. Why follow the 21-day smoothie diet plan? There are numerous diet plans. Of course, most of them have been determined to work, depending on your goals. The question that bugs many people is why you should take on the 21-day smoothie diet plan over another meal plan? Here are some of the reasons why. It increases your nutrient intake. Smoothies are prepared using healthy ingredients from all food groups. These include whole fruits, starchy vegetables, leafy greens, non-starchy veggies, and fat-free or low-fat dairy products. All these foods individually contain different nutrients. Fortunately, by combining all these food groups in one drink, your nutrients are amped up. It leads to weight loss. The smoothie diet aims at replacing 1 or 2 of your meals to help restrict your daily calorie consumption. This is the reason why each of your smoothie recipes restricts you to various servings. The reason for this is because each serving contains a certain number of calories. If you take more than the recommended servings, you risk having a calorie surplus, leading to weight gain. It may kickstart your healthy eating patterns. Healthy living calls for healthy dietary and lifestyle changes. Most people struggle with implementing healthy dietary practices as they try to incorporate them all at once. This can be overwhelming, and as such most people tend to encounter so many challenges when it comes to healthy dietary practices. How many smoothies should you have a day? If it is for weight loss, you will have to watch the number of smoothies you consume. What is the bottom line? The 21-day smoothie diet plan involves consuming smoothies in addition to your meals. You can replace either 1 or 2 meals a day with smoothies for a limited amount of time in this diet plan. It is not safe to replace all the meals with smoothies, as you may suffer from various nutritional deficiencies. This diet plan can help you increase your nutrient, fruits, and vegetable servings. It can also promote weight loss only if you stick to the recommended smoothie servings. Please note that it may also lead to high blood sugar and a calorie surplus, and may not provide all the nutrients your body needs. Remember to only follow or start this diet plan after seeking medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with a friend. Don't forget to support our channel by subscribing today. If you are interested in the 21-day smoothie diet, just click the link in the description for details.